Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video where we're going to be talking about coding and how to get started as a beginner. Coding is the process of creating instructions for a computer to follow. It's the language that computers understand, and it's used to create everything from websites to apps to video games. It's a valuable skill to have in today's world, and it's never been easier to learn. The first thing you need to do is decide which programming language you want to learn. There are many different languages out there, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. Some popular options for beginners include Python, JavaScript, and HTML/CSS. Once you've decided on a language, it's time to start learning. There are many resources available online, including tutorials, videos, and interactive coding exercises. Websites like Codecademy and Code.org are great places to start. As you learn, it's important to practice what you've learned by working on projects. Not only will this help solidify your knowledge, but it will also give you a sense of accomplishment and help you understand how the different pieces of code fit together. Another great way to learn is by joining a community of other coders. There are many online forums, groups, and even local meetups where you can connect with others who are also learning to code. Learning to code can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. With a little bit of dedication and practice, you'll be able to create your own programs and websites in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials and tips.